So I've been given a few MacBooks to fix. Just a few. These are all decommissioned MacBooks. They were being disposed of, and instead of chucking them into recycling, they got given to me. Absolutely brilliant, which means I've got a bunch of computers to fix. So today I'm working on this Macbook Air. This is a 1466. I don't know which year this one was. It's 2014, 2015, something like that I think it is. This needs a new battery, so I need to get onto that, and we'll try and do it in one take if I can. We'll see how we go. Well, let's get started. Now these little screws are troubling because they're really short and they're very easy to strip them when you put them back in again, so be careful about that. Now I've already done some work on this particular one, did some repairs to it, so the battery is the only thing which was left to be done. So that's all we've got to work on now. Battery unplug. What screws is it? Yep, those ones there. Great. It's a pretty straightforward process on this particular model. It's way easier than some of the other ones I've worked on. Missed one in the middle. There we go. Battery is out. Let's have a quick look under here. Checking for any signs of damage, since I haven't had the battery out yet. Yep, there's no corrosion really on that, it looks good. New battery over here. In and reverse the process. Nice and quick to change these ones, I like it. Definitely a fan of this style. So they should have made them at the very beginning. Mind you, the early MacBooks, they actually had a replaceable battery which is underneath the cover. Is it 2009 model I think it was? Is it going in? Just not sure it's going in right. Yeah, 2009 it was. They had a replaceable battery. Just took a little cover up. Had a little lever on the bottom of the machine. Lift the lever up. Popped a new battery in. It is meant to be replaceable. How far we've come. Might have got these little plastic sheets over each individual cell. I don't know. So obviously I stop them looking a bit crappy if they get caught on something, I suppose. But now I've got to try and lift them all off. One of my lights has been weird. Now this one run, I don't think if I plug the battery straight in, I think I'll need to have the charger plugged in as well. We'll try this first. Usually the battery is asleep until you activate it by plugging in the charger. Okay. We'll try that first. Machine's a bit dirty because I'm refurbishing these machines as well. So, yep, let's plug a charger in. I don't know what level of charge these batteries are actually in. Oh, back out again. Plug it back in. 7%. This battery's very low, so this needs a really good charge up. But that's fine. battery is working. So happy enough with that. So I did actually pop that out, so but it just needs a really good charge up, so I'm happy with that. That's good. Put it back together. I'm not going to bother showing you that. So if you like that video, there's another video to watch down below there. You can subscribe over here, and there's a Patreon support link over there if you want to support the channel, help me buy things to do videos about. Catch you later.